Bonjour. Today we are going to learn more French words on musical instruments. So, let's have a look at musical instruments. Today let's have a look at
les instruments à percussion.
which are percussion instruments, such as a drum.
Un tambour.
Repeat after me.
Un tambour.
A drum kit or drums.
Une batterie.
Repeat after me.
Une batterie.
A cymbal.
Une cymbale.
Repeat after me.
Une cymbale.
Castanets.
Des castagnettes.
Repeat after me.
Des castagnettes.
Maracas.
Des maracas.
Repeat after me.
Des maracas.
A xylophone.
Un xylophone.
Repeat after me.
Un xylophone.
A triangle.
Un triangle.
Repeat after me.
Un triangle.
Kettle drums.
Des timbales.
Repeat after me.
Des timbales.
Okay, so let's have a look at some examples using these words. For example, he bought a new drum for his music lessons.
Il a acheté un nouveau tambour pour ses cours de musique.
Let's look at another example. The music teacher showed the students how to play the xylophone.
Le professeur de musique a montré comment jouer du xylophone aux élèves.
Let's have a look at another example. The children had fun playing the maracas during the party.
Les enfants se sont amusés à jouer des maracas pendant la fête.
That's it for today's lesson on instruments. Hope this video was helpful.
Au revoir et à bientôt.